Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Becky's Kitchen. Today we are making buttermilk pancake. Here I have my 3 cups of flour, and I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of sugar. Then I had 4 teaspoons of baking powder. 1. Then we had 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And you mix all the dry ingredients together. You mix together. Now the wet ingredients. So here I have 3 cups of buttermilk. Watch my videos on how I made my own homemade buttermilk. Buttermilk, 3 cups. To that 3 cups we need 2 eggs. Breaking my egg. Then you add 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And you whisk. Whisk till everything is combined. The next thing is to add into your dry ingredients. Add, don't overmix. Mix. It's going to have, it must have lumps. It must definitely have lumps. Don't overmix. See, you can still see lumps there. Yeah. The next thing is heat up your fry pan with a little oil. Next to pack some butter. Inside. Spread. Batch. Make sure at every interval you add oil for the next batch of butter. Then you have your buttermilk pancake. You can see it's so fluffy because I didn't overmix. You can see, yeah, Don't forget to click that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. Now don't forget this: Jesus loves you and he wants you to live a healthy and a fulfilled life. Bye.